Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Libras. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Libras, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Libras, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Viva. So you can contact her. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can check that out. So let's start the reading with these cards. For your general energies first. Libras, today we have the Moon, Devil and Ace of Spheres in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are making some decisions today, something important in your work or in your relationship, and it may look like a good choice, a right decision today, right thing for you. But you need to understand that all that glitters may not be gold. So you must rethink about your choice. It may land you in some difficult circumstance. This choice you're making, it may affect you big time. So you need to be really careful, Libras. You need to be really careful. If it is something in your relationship, you are making some important decisions for your life, for this love circumstance, you must think with clarity, because you may have a lot of dreams, a lot of plans, fantasies about your future. Simply dreaming and thinking about your future is not going to help you, because with these cards I feel that you are really influenced. Maybe your circumstances are influencing you. Sorry guys, circumstances are influencing you, or there may be people influencing you, or deep down your subconscious thoughts. Maybe something is telling you, pushing you, making you dream or fantasize about your relationship, about this love. But the reality is something very different. So you're seeing your life through those dreams or through those fantasies that you have, and that is not showing you the true picture, whatever is happening right in front of you. So that is the reason we have this energy. So you must think deeply whether you are making the right decision, whether the choices you make are the right ones for you. And maybe the reason you are thinking about these choices, or the reason you are thinking about this person, maybe because some kind of obsession you may have. It may be something out of control, something making you think again and again and again about this person. So it's a very bad kind of obsession, something that is taking you towards this person. Maybe they are not someone right for you, but you lack clarity and you lack that understanding, and you are unable to see the truth because of these influences. So you're badly obsessed with the wrong person, Libras. You must be careful if that is the case. So we will see what is the, maybe this relationship may not work, maybe they are not right for you. So you must rethink again and again. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. It's Four of Suns. So maybe with this card, certain circumstances may change. Maybe things will fall into place in your relationship. Maybe the love of your life, maybe the person whom you missed, or it may be this person you love, maybe the person you are obsessed with. They may reciprocate your love, they may understand your love, and this may end in happiness and a beautiful understanding. Or for some of you, if you are in separation and if you are expecting someone, you are getting that person, unexpected person coming to you. So it may be your past person, or it may be an unexpected new person coming towards you in this relationship. So for your career situation, we will see what is the card, Libras. So we have Seven of Spheres in reverse. So in your work circumstances, you must be careful. And if you are avoiding some important decisions today, it is going to work out positively for you. So you need to hold on, wait for a little more time. Take a deep breath and relax, because right now it's not the good time for you to make important decisions, Libras. So that is the reading with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Libras. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few minutes, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep this card aside for those who chose this card. The Sea Maiden. Promises. So in our life, maybe in our circumstances, if we have made some promises, those promises must be kept. Otherwise, we will be faced with more difficult circumstance, something we cannot handle. So this is the card reminding us to keep our end of the bargain. Maybe if we tell someone that we will do something, we must do it. And if we request help from someone, when that person requests help back, we must be able to help them back. That is what this card is about. And maybe you are quite restless about something. You are searching for an answer, or you are searching for a way to come out of some circumstance. And today you will find the right thing to do, the right answer, what needs to be done. But you must be ready to give up something on your part, sacrifice something on your part to get that answer. And today these circumstances are here to make changes in you. There are some changes happening today, happening in your life. And you must honor your words, whatever you tell. Maybe you make promises to people close to you, people you love. You must make promises only if you are able to keep those promises. And these promises must not be used uh, to get something out of that person. Use it as something selfishly. So when you keep your end of the bargain, things are going to work out well. But if you break the promises you made, it's going to land you in difficulty. So that is the energy here. And this card also suggests that your restlessness is going to come to an end. You're going to find an answer. And whatever is your destiny, though you will be making a lot of efforts, you may go through a lot of pain, but whatever you need to go through, you will come out of it successfully. That is what this card is about. Maybe the path may be quite difficult, but you are definitely going to come out of your you will survive your destiny. That is what this card is about. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, it says milk and honey. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your relationship, if you are open to a new relationship, you are going to find someone good, find someone, a person who is going to open up a very passionate romantic time with you, and you are going to have a great time with this person. Beautiful understanding, love and compatibility. Or maybe if you are already in a connection, this card suggests that there is a greater intimacy, harmony and a beautiful understanding flowering in this connection. And you will feel really grateful to be in this love, to be with this person. And this card stands for gratitude, that happiness and satisfaction. The same way in your career, whatever choices you make, whatever choices you are making today, it is going to lead you towards greater success, abundance, and you are going to embrace your destiny, and whatever opportunities you are going towards, all that opportunities are going to give you a sweet taste of the success you are going to experience in your life today. So that is what this card is about. This card is about happiness, prosperity, abundance and opportunities, and trust in your circumstances, trusting in your destiny, that all your needs will be met. So that is the energy here. That is the reading with these cards. Thank you guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.